swapped over the platform 3 and 4 at Toombul station. It's still somewhat original. Look at that. Don't see that very often, do you? Being a door operator, why's a Dover badge there? That's weird. Yeah, it's still the original door operator. Nice. Elevator free. I'm gonna do the other one in the same video. Oh wow, this one is AMD. What? They replaced the door operator with nothing else. That's... oh no. Does that have Newlift logic? Is that Newlift logic? No way. The button flashes. Oh my god, it has Newlift. What? I replaced the controller on this one. That's disappointing. This one runs different, obviously. It's so weird. Why did they replace the controller on one of them? Into the button big.